What we've got here today is the Great Ice Storm of 1994. And today's date is, as you see, January 8th, and the ice is abundant. Last couple of days we had freezing rain, and the ice developed virtually everywhere on the roads and on the trees and on the bushes, and certainly on virtually anything that was exposed to the elements, anything that was outside. And here's the flag that we had hanging outside of the house, and until this morning, you see it's sort of frozen stiff, and it created a lot of pressure on the pole and was ready to break, so I just took it down. But amidst all this ice is a beautiful splendor that I want to walk you through the yard and give you an idea of the beauty of the ice as it clings to the limbs of the trees and creates a crystal. See that breeze blowing the limbs? It's crystalline, and it's just very, very beautiful. So let's take a walk up the hill here to the back and see what things look like up there. Up on top of the hill right now, a view of the house and the gazebo, and down into the open space. And I'm going to pan to the left here and take a look at these trees, how spectacular their beauty is. Just covered with ice. And I want to give you a little idea of the grass, what has happened to the grass. As we look down here, you see there are the blades of grass sticking out of the ground. And what happened is the ice just created an icicle over each of the blades, and they're sticking up, sort of like stalagmites or stalactites would. Let me get closer here. It's really kind of spectacular. This beauty is awesome. Storms like this are, well, not a rarity. They maybe occur once every year, once every 2 years. It wreaks havoc on the population because certainly you can't drive, and as we're recording right now, we have no power, no electrical power, we have no heat, we have no running water to the house. So we've been burning the fireplace trying to keep warm, and I pulled out the Coleman lantern, the Coleman stove, and we cooked breakfast. We had some coffee and pancakes, and at this point the Pico Energy Company, the people who supply electricity to us, are saying that there are over 200,000 homes in the area without electricity, and they can't say exactly when we're going to have our electricity back. So we may be this way the better part of the day, hopefully, and no longer than that. Whoop. Hear the icicles falling around me? See the icicles hanging from the gazebo roof? It's really very, very pretty. And if you can't capture the beauty on this video, let me express in words that this is truly awesome. Just beautiful. It's kind of chilly. It's, I guess, temperatures in the high 20s. And I'm about to go for a walk, and I see somebody walking up here, and who is that? Is that, looks like it's Jan. Well, talk about rarities. This is a rarity, seeing Jan coming up the hill in this kind of weather. We're going to go for a walk, but I'll tell you before we do, I got to get my gloves on because it is getting real, real chilly. Jan? Whoa, we got a beautiful day here, don't we?
Yeah.
It's really spectacular.
Did you get the pictures of the
blades of grass?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. They're really something, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is an ice storm like I've never seen before.
Did you get the birds flying in here?
No, I didn't get any birds flying in here. See the blades of grass just sticking up? I mentioned it's like stalagmites or stalactites.
The hawk.
Where?
Sky.
Oh.
Slant.
You take a look at the little branch on this tree here to see how thick the ice is. And get up close here, you can see that the ice is probably 3 times as thick as the branch itself, causing a lot of weight to occur on the branches, and of course on the power lines. You can imagine why there's 200,000 people out of power this morning, because the power lines come down. This morning when we awoke about 6 o'clock to shining blue lights in the sky, just like explosive things, like fireworks in the night sky, and it was really spectacular. And the first thing that entered my mind was that the Limerick nuclear generating station had a meltdown. But as it turned out, after calling the police, they said that transformers were burning up in a wide area of the county, and when they blow up, of course, the fireworks are spectacular. Is looking, point out where I'm at here. There's the house, and as you pan to the left in the house, you're looking down through Cartmel. And Cartmel, of course, is equally as beautiful as everywhere else. Glistening ice on the trees. A rare beauty. I hear ticking, Jan. What is the ticking?
From the camera?
Oh yeah, it is. Never heard it tick like that before.
Tape.
And the videos we like to look at in the middle of August. Here's our beautiful fruit tree in front of the house. Branch broke? No, don't pull on it. Don't pull up on it. It'll surely break. Just let it go.
So weird how the ice did this. Show this berry. Come look at this berry.
We're looking at it.
Closely.
We're looking at it closely.
You can see why the branches would all crack and break. Phenomenon. Huh.
Why don't you go check the roads, see how they are.
Look good.
Well, I left my Mazda out last night because I couldn't get it in the driveway. It was all ice. And the car is well iced up. Matter of fact, it's so badly iced, I can't even get my hand under the door latch here because it's all ice, so there's no way to get in the car. Interesting, huh? Never had this problem in California. Nor this beauty. Just really something. Yo. could hear some children sledding down the hill over here. See if we can catch a glimpse of them. Oh yeah. There you go. Hey, that looks pretty good. Wow. Trees are beautiful, aren't they? I hope these pines survive. The pine limbs used to stick straight up, like that one there, and they're all hanging down. Hope it's not permanent damage. They're saying the ice could last for a couple of days. Well, I think I'm going to go inside now.